It's time for the 31st match of this year's Indian Premier League. It's Captain Morgan versus King Kohli. It's Bangalore versus Kolkata. विराट कोहली के रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर आईपीएल 2021 के दूसरे चरण के 31वें मैच में ओवेन मॉर्गन की कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के खिलाफ खेलेगी, जो एक रोमांचक मुकाबला हो सकता है। दोनों टीम सोमवार शाम अबू धाबी के शेख जायद स्टेडियम में टूर्नामेंट के बाकी मैचों की शुरुआत जीत के साथ करेंगी। इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे वेदर रिपोर्ट, पिच रिपोर्ट, स्टेडियम स्टेट्स, ड्रीम 11 प्रेडिक्शन, हेड टू हेड रिकॉर्ड्स, मेन्यू, मैच डेट, मैच एंड टॉस टाइमिंग्स और लाइव टेलीकास्ट कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स वर्सेस रॉयल चैलेंजर्स के मुकाबले में। लेट्स स्टार्ट। The 31st match of IPL between Kolkata Knight Riders versus Royal Challenger Bangalore will be played at Sheikh Zayed Stadium at 7:30 p.m. Indian time. KKR team tentative playing 11 for 31st match of IPL. नीतीश राणा, शुभमन गिल, राहुल त्रिपाठी, कैप्टन ओवेन मॉर्गन, सुनील नारिन और साकिब अल हसन, आंद्रे रसेल, दिनेश कार्तिक, शिवम मावी और कमलेश नगरकोटी, लॉकी फर्ग्यूसन और टीम साउदी, वरुण चक्रवर्ती एंड प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा। आरसीबी टीम टेंटेटिव प्लेइंग 11 फॉर 31st मैच ऑफ आईपीएल। कैप्टन विराट कोहली, देवदूत पड्डिकल, रजत पाटीदार, ग्लेन मैक्सवेल, विकेटकीपर एबी डिविलियर्स, शहबाज अहमद, टीम डेविड और वानिंदु हसरंगा, काइल जेमिसन, हर्षल पटेल, मोहम्मद सिराज एंड युजवेंद्र चहल। The 31st match of IPL between Kolkata Knight Riders versus Royal Challenger Bangalore will be played at Sheikh Zayed Stadium in Abu Dhabi. Head-to-head states. Overall, total 28 matches have been played between KKR and RCB, out of which KKR have won 15 matches and Royal Challenger Bangalore have won 13 matches. In UAE, total 3 matches has been played, out of which Kolkata has won 1 match and Bangalore has won 2 matches. Stadium states. In the Sheikh Zayed Stadium, total 47 international T20I matches have been played, out of which the batting first team have won 22 matches and the bowling first team have won 25 matches. The average first inning score in the stadium is 140 runs and the average second inning score in the stadium is 129 runs. The highest total recorded was 225 for 7 and the lowest total recorded was 87 for all out, and the highest score chased was 166 for 6 wicket. Venue details and history. These are all the history and details of Sheikh Zayed Stadium in Abu Dhabi. Top run scorers from this season: KKR vs RCB. Glenn Maxwell tops the list with 223 runs. AB de Villiers is in the second position with 207 runs. Nitish Rana is in the third position with 201 runs. Virat Kohli is in fourth position with 198 runs and Devdutt Padikkal is in fifth position with 195 runs. Top wicket takers from this season: KKR vs RCB. Harshal Patel tops the list for RCB with 17 wickets. Pat Cummins is in the second position with 9 wickets. Kyle Jamieson is in third with 9 wickets. Prasidh Krishna is in fourth with 8 wickets and Varun Chakravarti is in fifth position with 7 wickets. KKR team news. From KKR, just one change has happened. Team Saudi replaces Australian pacer Pat Cummins. RCB team news. Total 4 changes have been made by RCB in this Phase 2 IPL. Sri Lanka's Wanindu Hasaranga replaces Australia's Adam Zampa. Dusmantha Chamira has been named as a replacement for Daniel Sams. Left-arm quick George Gatun comes in for Kane Richardson. Team David has been named as a replacement for New Zealand's Finn Allen. Weather report. The temperature is expected to hover around 34 degrees on the match day with 67% of humidity and 16 km/h wind speed. There are no chances of rain during the game. Pitch report. The pitch in Abu Dhabi has generally been an excellent one for batting. During the 2020 IPL, the chasing teams found it relatively easy to chase down targets. Even in the PSL 2021, the matches turned out to be high scoring. Batting second should be the preferred option for both teams. A high scoring game seems to be on the cards. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between Kolkata Knight Riders versus Royal Challenger Bangalore will take place at 7 p.m. Indian time and the playing time will start at 7:30 p.m. Indian time. Live telecast and live streaming. You can watch a live telecast of Kolkata Knight Rider vs Royal Challenger Bangalore on All Star Sports Network. So, after all the analysis, the match prediction is Royal Challenger Bangalore will win this match. So, according to you, who will win this match? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.